Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger app not working and keeps crashing. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you can see now, if I open my Messenger app, I don't have any problems because I solved them, and now I will show you how can you do the same on your device. Now I'm doing on iPhone, but you can do the same on your Android. So just follow the steps I do. So the first thing we need to do is just to open our App Store or Google Play, and then in a search bar just find the app called Messenger, basically the app we are trying to fix. And as you can see, if I'll open this page, I have the option to open this app, but sometimes there is the option which is called update. So we need to update our app in order to use it in a correct way without any crashing and without any problems with a working opportunity. So this is the first thing we need to check while we are trying to fix this problem. The other thing we can do is going to our settings. So I will just open my settings here and then just go to apps to like change something. So I will just in a search bar input like data and storage. So to open like storage page, yeah. And after that we need to wait for a little until it will be like calculated in a necessary way. We need to find the Messenger page right up here. In Android it may look a little bit different, but there is like option to manage your apps, to change some parameters for them. So now let's wait a few seconds until it will like download it. So now we can scroll down to find the Messenger. It should be somewhere here, so we need to find our Messenger app. It may take a little time, it's right up here. So after that I suggest you to click on upload app and then just try to open it once more. So it may just take a little time, but after that probably everything will be fixed. And the last way we can try to fix is of course just delete the whole app and try to re-upload it on our device. This is the last way of how can you fix it. So basically this is the hardest one. So just delete and re-upload it on your device. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.